Now let's say you're using something in a Google app like Google Docs, Google Slides, or Google Sheets, but you might be taking your iPad to some place that does not have Wi-Fi. If you're working on a document and you want to continue working on it somewhere that does not have internet, what I can do is with that document open, I open up the document I want. In the upper right hand corner I have three dots. If I tap on those three dots, there's an option towards the bottom that says available offline. If I tap on that, it will make this particular document only available offline and will allow me to edit it when I don't have Wi-Fi. So if I'm at school and I know I'm going to be going to a practice or something and I don't have my internet, or no, I'm not going to have internet there, I can simply tap on the three dots, make it available offline, and now I can continue to work on this document even though I may not have internet where I'm going. When I'm done, or when I get back to the internet, it will automatically sync up my changes and upload that new document. So if I come back to school that next day, then that document will automatically update with my new changes online in my Google Drive.